Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine we gave it a tune-up, replacing the gasket that is inside the machine, this one that you see right here, deep cleaning the shower head of the mechanical valve, replacing the brew unit of the machine. This one is the older one, and as you can see, just full of coffee and does no longer have any lubrication inside, and it probably needs a gasket here. So that's the reason we replace these brew units with a new one. We also descale this machine and deep clean everything around the spouts, steam one, and every other single place of the machine inside where the coffee will actually eventually get. We also clean around the grinder as well as the funnel, which had a bunch of coffee grounds sticking around the funnel of the pre-ground coffee machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test this machine out. Then we're going to use the hot water and then the steam of the machine. Oh, excuse, sorry about that. I had the pre-ground selected instead of having the regular ground selected, because in this machine you can choose between minimum and max settings of how much coffee you want to grind with your machine. So let's do that again. Now this time selecting an amount of coffee that is going to be grounded. The machine is going to grind the coffee. It's going to flow out through this funnel into the infuser. The infuser is going to go all the way up to the mechanical valve, hitting the mechanical valve. Once it hits the mechanical valve, the water pump will start pushing water through here, going through the thermal block, going all around it to the mechanical valve and into the spouts. And as you can see, nice beautiful stream coming out of the machine. Really good looking. We could probably increase the amount of crema that the machine is having. Right now we are doing the one setting. But as you can see, this machine, this coffee that we have is very good as well. This is our test coffee and does not really produce enough crema. But as you can see, looking pretty good. Nice layer of crema on top, working nice. Hot water for this machine. Let me get my fuck up. It's working perfectly fine. Working pretty nice. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Looking great. And steam, just give it 1 second as the thermal block needs to get the temperature. And once it gets the temperature, we're going to see some steam coming out through here. It will first dispense the water and then it will slowly start dispensing steam, as you can see over here. Once it fully gets the temperature, we're going to see the full pressure of the machine. Right now it's a bit hot today, so we're not going to be able to see it entirely, but let me just get a little cup over here. You can see it coming out of the machine, all that steam, all that pressure, looking great. Really good pressure, really good temperature, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica XS working once again. Previously this machine was giving all the lights and giving us the prime error, which is not happening right now. So thank you so much for the permanent Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.